tortillas. I have sweet mini peppers, some red onion, green pepper, sweet potato fries, some hash browns, and ground turkey, and optional but calamari. Let's cook.
Preheat the oven to 400. We took our peppers from this to this. Trader Joe's made this meal prep very easy and fast. I simply added my calamari, hash browns, and sweet potato fries into my pan, and I popped that in the oven. So the idea is some days would have the hash browns and others will have the sweet potatoes.
Just a little.
A little bit of olive oil here to saute my vegetables, onions, green pepper, my sweet mini peppers.
All right, I need to catch up with you. But also, I was thinking,
Yeah.
it starts at 5. Do you want to take an Uber together? Get out for Uber?
Are we drinking?
I feel like, yeah.
Okay.
I feel like it's your birthday.
So no driving.
And I'm only,
No driving.
Well,
We'll do an Uber.
yeah, right? Okay.
Some salt, seasoning powder, cayenne pepper, thyme. That was white wine, salt, seasoning powder, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, paprika.
In there.
I got this sauce from Trader Joe's, and my intention is to coat one side of the tortilla with the sauce, and you have to do this over for each day or each tortilla.
I got flowers while cooking. I got gummy flowers. Here, the sauce, and my lunch bag is going to have some